illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. Today, in honor of Cinco de Mayo, I am going to teach you how to draw a taco character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our taco character. The first thing we want to do is make a really big rainbow shape. This is going to serve as the curved part of our taco shell here. And we're going to connect these 2 points with a line that's not straight. We want to add a little pizzazz to our taco character here. And now we'll work on the face. The eyes for our taco are going to be 2 different shapes. We're going to have one circle and one oval. This is going to be a very happy and enthusiastic taco. So we're going to do an open mouth smile. We can color that in. I want 2 eyebrows. And now we get to work on the filling inside of the taco. So the first thing we're going to add is a piece of lettuce. And that just looks like the edge of a big piece of lettuce, kind of a wavy line there. I'm going to do a big curved line. This can be like a tomato. You are certainly free to add your own details here as well. A couple smaller curved lines. This could be whatever meat is inside of the taco. Another curved line for some lettuce. And we'll add a few details here to our lettuce leaves. And we'll add a few skinnier lines here to indicate that there's some shredded cheese in here. And like I said, you can add more of each of these things or less. Your taco can be filled with whatever you think it should be filled with. All right, I think my taco is looking pretty full here. So we want to add some arms and legs on now that we've got our filling kind of sticking out of our taco here. So we'll start with this side. We want 2 arms that are just extending out, 3 little fingers. And we'll do the same thing on the other side for the other arm of our taco. Also a diagonal line that comes up, 1, 2, 3. We're going to add a couple details here to the shell of our taco because typically taco shells have a lot of texture on them. That means that you can feel them. They're a little bit rough because they're the fried tortillas, so that makes them a little bit crunchy. So we want to add some dots and some little circles just to give a little pattern of texture here to the outer surface of our taco shell. All right, and now we just have to add the little legs. And little feet, 1 and 2. So there we have the outline of our taco character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So you can use markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, there is our taco character. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Okay, illustrators, there we have our taco characters. Great job today. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!